Now on today's video, I got to test ride the Zx7R once again. Luciano shot some video of it. You may find it interesting. And at the end of the video, we from a test ride that was a lot of fun and a nice trip to Perry's, we had what always happens, or I shouldn't say always, it happens more often than you think it would. We had a little adventure at the end. I won't spoil the suspense. It was a nice adventure of a day. And as always, first thing of the day is to meet up at Choppers and talk a little trash before we ride. So what is this? Kawasaki day, huh?
It's all of them.
Look at this, all Kawasaki's. Oh my God, the two amigos. Now I had test ridden the bike once before, but the day I did that, the roads were wet. It had just rained. It was really not appropriate to really just see the handling qualities of it. So we decided to motor up to 106 and take some of our usual route where you do get to see how the bike handles, how smooth it is, and Luciano shot this video. Now I've gotten to ride most of Luciano's bike, including his ZX10, and the thing I like about all the bikes, he sets up a bike pretty much the way I do, and we seem to be able to switch bikes at will. And every part of it, before he, well, maybe he does before he lets me ride them anyway, they are all set up very well, and they all seem to handle well. And he'll take care of anything that needs to be taken care of. And after a first few turns on 106, bike handles great. And in fact, I really thought it handled great. It was wonderful. And just like all of the four-cylinder Ninjas that I've ridden, and even the ones I own, this was a beautifully smooth bike, and it really handled great. And again, because I've ridden a lot of Luciano's bikes, they are really in a class by themselves. They always seem to handle well.
Get in the car.
It's a nice fall day. Hey, we're up here really late because I was riding Luciano's bike. Hey! That Ninja is a beauty, believe me. I rode it once with the roads were wet. Today they're beautiful. Beautiful bike. Time for coffee. One of the killer bees was sitting out here eating, and a killer bee took a shot at help! Help! I'm drowning! I'm drowning! I really don't like that coffee. So the only thing left is to head up to Perkins and see if any of the guys are up there. We got a late start today. I got to ride the bike. Beautiful. Kawasaki day. So do you have anything to say about battery maintenance?
It was a hell of a day today.
What a hell of a day, but the battery fried. Oh my God.
It was your battery, wasn't it mine?
At least I got to ride it before it went bad.
Yeah.
Wait, I'll give you a hand. I got to get my gear to put in the truck. So here's the message from today. Luciano's going to buy a brand new battery. and not that cheap Harbor Freight stuff. Ninja Rescue totally complete. So we're going to get decals sponsored by Harbor Freight batteries. So here's the lesson of the day. Never get a Harbor Freight battery.
It's not Harbor Freight.
Okay, there is no Harbor Freight batteries. We're just kidding.
China special.
Made in China special. Oh my God. Then I just went into the garage and took out our multiple battery charger, battery tender. We're going to start, it was cold today. We are going to start keeping the batteries on charge, but even a day like today when we had a little issue with Luciano's battery going dead, but he's rescued me in the past. Today it was my turn in the barrel. And that's the good part about motorcycling. You always wind up with some very special friends. Anyway, we're going to be doing some more of the FZR restoration and getting some more rides in before the year ends. Hope you enjoyed the video and thanks for watching. Hey, if you want to see Grandpa Windy, you got to put shoes on. You sure you don't want to put some shoes on? I'll be right in. It is getting cold. Too cold to be out here with no shoes. And we're going to play Legos. That's all. So the day ended well, and like every day, Luciano and I seem to get together. There's always something, always a little bit of an adventure to share with our friends and people that subscribe to the channel. And believe me, making these videos is a labor of love. I do enjoy it. And I enjoy looking back at some of these days that we had. And what happens, you tell people about some of these adventures and they don't believe you. And then you show them the video and they go, holy mackerel. I don't know what they think, though, in reality. But anyway, the rescue part of motorcycling, if you've never experienced being rescued by a friend, you haven't missed a thing. Anyway, this was a memorable day. And for sure, the last thing of the day is to go hang out with Miles and play Legos. And thanks so much for watching.